Hello students, this is question number 21 of IOQM 2024 and 25, and in this question they have mentioned that an integer is such that floor of n by 9 is a 3-digit number with equal digits, and floor of n minus 172 divided by 9 is a 4-digit number with the digits 2024 in some order. Now what is the remainder when n is divided by 100? Now first of all, if I can see over here that if I'm taking this k n minus 172 divided by 4. So if I'm assuming this quantity as k, then this k is going to belongs to a integer. So we can see that n minus 172 by 4, this is going to lie into k to k plus 1. Now n minus 172, if I'm going to check, so that should lie into the interval 4k to 4k plus 4, and hence the n is going to lie into the interval that is 4k plus 172 comma 4k plus 176. Now once we got the value of 9 n, so I can just find the value of n by 9. So n by 9, this is going to lie into the interval that is 4k plus 172 divided by 9 and 4k plus 176 divided by 9. Now for this n by 9 floor, they have mentioned that this number is a 3-digit number with all the digits as equal digits. So we can write over here that the greatest integer of n by 9, this has been given equal to a, and a, where a is being mentioned either 1, 2, 3 and till 9. So I can write from here that if a is going to lie into this interval, that is for 4k plus 172 by 9 and 4k plus 176 by 9, then I can write this is 4k plus 176 divided by 9 is going to be less than a as a single number. This is 4k plus 172 divided by 9. Now this is for a belongs to 1, 2, 3 and so on till 9. Now we can substitute the value of a as 9. So once we are going to substitute the value of a as 9, then we can see that this k interval which we are going to check, so that is going to lie into the interval of, this is 2203.75 and 2204.75. Therefore we can see that floor of n minus 172 divided by 4, this is going to be equal to a number which is lying into this interval and which will be made of this format. So this number is nothing but 2204. So this is the first one. Now also we can see that n by 9, in that case we got it as equal to 999. So from this first equation I can see that n minus 172 divided by 4, this is going to lie into the interval 2204 to 2205. And once we got the interval over here, then I can find the value of n. So that n value is going to lie into the interval 8988 to 8992. So this is the interval. Now from this equation, that is the second one, that n is lying from this equation, then we can see that n by 9 is going to lie into the interval 999 to 1000. So all the condition is being satisfied, and hence we can see the value of n from here. So that is going to lie into the interval 8991 to 9000. So if n is lying into this interval, now in the question they said that integer which is being satisfied for both. So this is the only integer that is going to be satisfied by both the conditions. So we can get the value of n as 899 and 1. And once we got the value of n as 8991, then we can see that the remainder when n is divided by 100 will be equal to 91, and hence 91 has to be the final answer, and the same is been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.